day trip in the old Beach. But first, we need to measure a glucose test. I am 33 weeks pregnant now, so each day I need to take my glucose test. This is a fasting morning, the first in the day. Yesterday I ate something that was not supposed to, so spiked my sugar a little bit, so you're gonna see in a second. It is supposed to be under 95, but it was 96. But yeah, we're going back to the normal eating schedule. And yeah, so this is the lobbying area of the hotel. It was very cute, very vintage. We love it. The people were friendly, the rooms spacious. Well, enough for a one-day trip. This is my baby boy. Keep going, baby. Room 12. 7.
Mom, is this one?
I think so, yes, baby. It's this one.
But it's always raining. But that disgusts you. That's disgusting.
No, it's not.
Let's go.
Wait.
That's disgusting. That's disgusting.
The family. Go. This guy is not a gentleman. Enjoying the weather. It's the summertime. Yeah, I mean, what you gotta say? This is not a lollipop, man. Say thank you, man. Yeah, we here to order French fries.
Go, baby. Don't be scared. Just put your feet on the water. Give me your hand. Cute, mommy. The water's coming, Jamie. Come. I'm not done yet. Get out, go some. Stand up, baby.
Get out, go. Wait, we're paying for you to play. You have to pay. Sorry. A lot of fun here at the Gestational You can't just aim the dinosaur. You not aim the dinosaur.
Good job, baby. Good job. Move your feet. Good job. Enjoy, baby.
I like that swimming. I didn't know how to swim.
You're gonna learn.